In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your referrals balance and monthly recurring revenue, or MRR, on Whop. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're able to access the information you need with ease. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Whop website. You can do this by entering the following URL in your browser, whop.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a left-hand menu. This menu is your roadmap to navigating the various features of Whop. Next, you'll want to look for your business name within that left-hand menu. Simply click on it. This action will direct you to your business dashboard where you can manage and monitor various aspects of your business operations. Once you've accessed your business dashboard, keep your attention on the left side menu. Here, you'll find several options. Look for the one labeled Marketing and click on it. This section of Whop is where you can manage your marketing strategies and track their performance, which is crucial for understanding how effectively your business is attracting and retaining customers. Now, once you're in the marketing section, the next step is to click on Affiliates. This is where you'll find all the information related to your referral programs and affiliate marketing efforts. Clicking here will give you access to a detailed overview of your referrals balance and your MRR. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily view and analyze your referrals balance and MRR. This information is incredibly valuable for understanding the financial health of your affiliate marketing efforts. It allows you to see how much revenue is being generated on a recurring basis through referrals, which is a key indicator of the long-term success of your marketing strategies. A couple of additional tips. Make sure that you have the necessary permissions to access this information on Whop. If you're not the account owner, you might need to request access from the person who manages the account. Also, if you find yourself having trouble or if the interface is changed, don't hesitate to reach out to Whop's customer support for assistance. They can provide you with up-to-date information and help resolve any issues you might encounter. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly monitor your referrals balance and MRR on Whop. This information is crucial for assessing the performance of your affiliate marketing strategies and making informed decisions to grow your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below.